Hi, today I'm going to make this very pretty festival hanging. Very easy to make. Materials I'm using are, this is a golden colored gutta or ribbon, some pom-poms in orange and red color, some golden beads. These are these plastic golden colored flowers, some green red beads. These are crepe papers, so orange and yellow. Now this is metallic golden yellow color paper. This is some cardboard, and this is plain card paper, cardstock. Now I've cut out a circle from the cardboard. This is about 9 inches in diameter. And I've drawn a smaller one which is about 6 inches in diameter. Now on the circle, taking the middle point in consideration, just just mark out 2 points opposite to each other on this inner circle, and similarly this way at right angles to the previous one. So you have 4 points. Marked out like this. Now either take scissors or paper blade, and just cut through the cardboard on these points. Like so. Now I've cut out 2 lengths, equal lengths from the golden ribbon. So first just take one and push it through this hole that we made. Pull it through from the other side and push it back from the opposite hole. So it comes out, and make them equal on length from the top. Like this. So I'll do the same with the other one. So this is how it will look with all the 4 ends and a cross at the back. Now take the yellow sheet, the card paper, and just trace out the circle. And even if it's missing on the corners, it's okay. Or if you have a bigger sheet, you can use that. Like this. Now I'll just cut it out. So now I'll just turn it over and apply glue. And stick this circle on it. just take this paper and stick this like this. Now take a pom-pom, and I've taken a needle and a thread. So just take one and put it through. Now I've already got a knot at the end, so it will hold. Then take these plastic flowers. If you don't have these, it's okay, you can put any assortment of beads or anything. I'll just put 3 of these beads. Like this. Just leave it like this. So I made 10 like these, 5 in orange and 5 in red. So now I'll just mark out, equal points, equally distant points on this. 10 points. Now just take some glue, just put a line like this, slightly longish line, and take one of these, just stick it on it. Then the next one. And I'll put the alternate color. So it should be just of the bead. Like this. So I'll just stick all of them in the same. So after sticking them like this, I'll just let them dry properly. I've cut out a circle with the diameter of 9 inches, the same as that cardboard circle. And on it, on the reverse, I have drawn a 6-inch circle. So now on this, in the same way as I did for the cardboard, I'm just going to put it like this, running through the center, and mark out 2 points. And then in the same way, like this, and then just cut it out. Just be careful you don't cut your fingers. Like this. So I'll just cut out the other 2 also. So after putting these holes through, now just take this, each of these strands. Now I'm going to put it through this. I'll just turn it over first. In the same way as I did earlier, just push it through. And pull it. So it will come like this, and I'll do the other 3 also. So after I've pulled out all the 4 sides of the ribbon, golden ribbon, now I'm just going to apply glue on it. And stick it. So after sticking it like this, now take the crepe paper, and I've cut a strip from it, along the whole paper. So now just take the threaded edge scissors and cut one side of it, so you get that edge. Like this, and then just make cuts on it. About half an inch wide, leaving a little on the other side. Like this. Open the strip out. And then just twist the top of each of these petals. Just stretch it like so. So you get this rippled effect. So I'll just do the whole strip. So now just apply glue on the base, on the whole length of the strip. Now just roll it up. So just take this, roll it on itself and keep rolling like this. And then start giving pleats on each of these strips while you're rolling. So you get a look like this. Just press the base hard. And then just with your fingers just open out these petals so it becomes a slightly bigger flower. Like this. So I made all these flowers in the same way of yellow and orange. So now just take one, apply glue on its side, one side, and then just stick it facing out. Like this. So this way I'm going to stick all of them around this in alternate colors. And slightly coming out of the edge of the cardboard. I'll just finish. So after sticking them like this, now I'm going to stick them from the base. So just apply some glue on the base of the flower and then just stick it like this. Let it stand. And try to stick it very close to the one which is outside. Just hold it for a while and stick it. So I'll do the same throughout the whole thing. After doing all the flowers, just bring these golden ribbon together. So because now the tray has become heavy, so you have to hold them in such a way that they are all firm and not loose. Just bring them together. Take a needle and thread. I've already tied a knot, so I'll just stitch them together from the top like this. Just bring it round. Like this. So I'll just neaten it up, fold these and tie them again. So this is how it will look. So now I'll just cut off the extra ribbons. Like so. Now I've made a few of these extra flowers, so just put the needle through, and before that I'm going to use these flowers. Rest on this. Okay, I have to look for my needle. There. Like so. And if you want, you can add another one of these. And perhaps another flower. And then take this. Green bead and maybe a few golden beads. Like this. And this is how it will look. So I have a loop in the beginning which I can use to hang.